Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here today to share some exciting fun with you. We are celebrating our 5th birthday in my Etsy shop, AngeldreamcraftsKim on Etsy, and this is our annual YouTube hop that we do every year. Like I said, it's annual, and my amazing designers and I came up with the theme of a shabby chic tea party this year. So all of our projects are going to reflect that. And if you're here on my video, you may have hopped over from someone else's channel, but everybody's links are going to be in the description box below for you to hop over to their videos, because a lot of the designers are doing giveaways on their channel. I am doing a giveaway for the hop as well. And what you have to do to win is to be 18 years of age or over. You must be subscribed to everyone's channel that's doing the hop, and like the video as well, and leave a comment on the video. If you don't leave a comment or be a subscriber or any of that stuff, then you're not going to be in it to win it. So you definitely want to do that. I'm giving away a $40 gift certificate to my Etsy store, and you can go and shop and get whatever you like. And we have some beautiful new items in the store. So you can choose whatever you like to get with your $40 gift certificate. And I'll be doing that drawing in about a week's time. But in the meantime, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported my shop, who has commented on a video or supported my designers, people who have been repeat customers over the years. I cannot thank you enough for your kindness and your support, leaving lovely reviews on my shop. I so appreciate all of you for doing that. It really means the world to me. So thank you for that. And I also want to say a special thank you to my absolutely amazing designers, Roseanne, who is Roxy Fiber Art, Charlotte Peterson, Amy Love, Nicola, who is my Shabby Craft Corner, Karen Billinger. Did I say Charlotte Peterson? I think I did. As well. So, and I also have a guest designer this month who is Tina Parker Designs, and her link will be in the description box as well. She's going to be designing for me for the next couple of months. So please go over and support all of these lovely ladies, subscribe to them, and you can see their beautiful hop projects as well. So I think that's kind of it for the info for the hop. Just please remember to subscribe, like, and comment on all of the videos. And like I said, you can find the links to all of those videos in the description box below. So what did I make for the hop? Well, let me show you a part of it first of all. My dear bestie, Amy Love, sent me this most beautiful teapot. It's a china teacup set and saucer, and I just love it so much, and it's been sitting in my china cabinet. But I wanted to do something with it because I'm reorganizing my craft room, and I wanted to alter it for the hop. So this is the plate, and you can see it's like an off-white color, like an ivory almost, and it has the most delicate pink and blue little flowers on it. I just love it with a gold edge. So I didn't do anything to the plate, but I did alter the cup. So I made it into a stick pin cushion, and here it is. And what I did was I used the stick pins from the stick pin kit, which you can find in my shop. And you get 10 stick pins, and you can alter them with all the goodies that you get in the stick pin kit. I love these stick pins because they're 3 inches long, so they're nice and long. Yeah, and who doesn't love some shabby chic stick pins? And I did use a few beads from my stash, but these pins are from the stick pin kit. And the top is the lovely rosette trim that I have in the store. So it made it nice and puffy. And there's the cup. You can see the beautiful edge on the cup there and the lovely handle. I didn't want to do too much to it because I just love the way it is, and I want to have it sitting on my desk as a nice reminder of my friend Amy Love. So thank you for the cup, Amy. I just adore it, and now it's going to be sitting here and I can look at it every day, so I'm excited. The bling I used from my store, which is right here, and I have this bling in pink, and you get 2 pieces. So I used both pieces on either side. And then I used this really pretty lace, which has proved to be very popular in the store. And they look like little leaves, and it's an off-white color as well. And it matched the color of the plate and the cup really, really well. I know there's a glare from the ring light, but it really does match the color quite well. And then I used the little bows from my shop, the little white bows, and I have these in multiple colors as well. And then underneath, I've got the double layer polka dot tulle trim, and this is in an ivory color. I have this in multiple colors in the store as well. There's lavender, there's pink, there's white, there's blue. So several different colors of this, but this is the off-white color. So I put that on first, then I put this layer on, and then I use this really pretty trim, which Amy sent me, which is these little daisies with the pink center. I just wanted a tiny bit of pink to pick up on the pink that was in the dish and the side of the cup. So that's what I did. And then of course I made the stick pins out of the stick pin kit. So that's my little project. I love making pin cushions because, you know, I'm a sewer as well, so I'm always using pin cushions in my craft room, and now I can have this sitting on my desk and as a lovely reminder from my bestie Amy. So thank you for that, Amy, and I'll lay it that way so you can kind of see it. So that is what my hop project is, and don't forget, I will be giving away a $40 gift certificate to the store. So comment on this video, like and subscribe if you're not subbed already, and then check the links in the description box. Go over to my next designer's video and do the same on their channel because they're giving away things as well. I don't know if they all are, but I know some of them are for sure. So you don't want to miss out. And I want to thank you again for being part of the hop and for supporting my store. I truly, truly appreciate it. And thank you to everyone who's watching. And good luck, everybody. And I will do the drawing for the gift certificate in about a week. And enjoy the hop, everybody. And I will talk to you soon.